Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how you can actually connect your project, PHP project, to the database. Here you can see we have create the database restaurant DB. We have created two table also, and we have added all the datas right in our previous video. So in this video, I will show you how you can actually connect them. So I will create a common file, and the file name will be db.php. So let me explain you why I have actually created this db.php. So let's say I can create multiple file in my project, right? And I need to add, do connect. I mean, I need to, connect to the database, multiple times. So I have to, write the code. So this will be data, redundancy, right? Actually don't want to do this. I just want to create a separate file for this, and every single time I just have to include the file. So what is include? I hope you understand include, because without actually knowing include, you shouldn't come here, or you shouldn't actually start doing a project. So but let me tell you what is include. Let's say I have a file, so let's say I want to access the file here. So I just have to say here include and the file name. Okay, so the file name is db.php. so this is called include. So I just have to write this one line of code, okay, every single time if I need to connect to the database. So that's why actually I have created here db.php. So first of all, I have to write PHP syntax like this. Okay, I have to say that, okay, I need to set the connection. So I need a variable, and we know in PHP we need to declare a variable using $sign, and I will say here server. Why? Because I need to know the server. So I need a server to connect to the database. So the server is localhost, and I need username. So I will say user, and we know that by default the user is root. Okay, and by default the password is null. You cannot give here any space, okay, or anything. It has to be null. Okay, and what I need, database name. So I will say dv name. The database name is our database name. So the database name is restaurant db, restaurant underscore db. So this is the database name. And now I need to set the connection. So for the connection I need a variable, because I want to, okay, let me just declare the variable later. Actually I want to set here a connection. So I will say new mysqli, and it will actually create a new connection, and we just have to pass all the parameter, all the 4 parameter here. So first server, so let me copy it and I will paste it here, and you have to give comma to separate all the parameters. And then the second parameter is user, comma, third parameter is password, comma, fourth parameter is $db name. And let's say I want to store the connection in a variable, because I actually need a variable when I actually want to show the connection error or everything. So I will say here that $con, the variable, you can give here any name, equal to like this. So now my connection is stored in a variable. Now I will check that if not connected yet, I will say if not $con, it means we have some error. So we'll actually show the error. So I will say error, and we have to paste the error. So here you can see double quotation. So we have to use curly braces. So this is called curly braces. We have to actually use like this, and we just have to mention the variable name and then connect error function. Okay, connect underscore error. Okay, oops, connect underscore error. That's it. Now it will show. Otherwise actually we will show here that else, that echo connected to the database successfully. Okay, so we'll actually check now. So let's go to the browser and now we will actually check. So I will say localhost slash db dot. Okay, so we have to actually mention our project name. So our project name is restaurant slash dv.php. We will actually check if the connection is done. Undefined variable password. Okay, and here you can see connected to the database successfully, but our connection is done, right? But the problem is it's showing that undefined variable password. Okay, so let's see it. Okay, password. Okay, so here you can see I have right here double s, but here only one single s. So yeah, like this. So that's it. Now let's go back and I will say here localhost slash restaurant slash the file name is db.php. Okay, so here you can see connected to the database successfully, right? Okay, so this is how actually you can create connection, or you can connect your PHP script, or sorry, PHP project to the database. Okay, so that's it for today. In our next video we will actually show you how you can actually create a login process or login system, and we'll actually try to create admin panel. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.